Early in 2021, Shloka worked as an assistant choreographer in the bilingual film Music School created by Papa Rao. She had the opportunity to work under the lead choreographer Adam Murray, who's done some brilliant work on movies like Disney's Cruella, Rocketman, and Steven Spielberg's film Ready Player One. Shloka had been training the lead cast Shriya Saran, Sharman Joshi, and Shan. In her free time, Shloka loves to read, sleep, and rewatch The Office for the 500th time. She's also a huge cricket buff and will absolutely faint if she ever meets Virat Kohli. But can anyone really blame her? Shloka has a great group of friends who are always there for her and give her the break that she needs. They're always at home either playing the Nintendo Switch or watching some kind of movies. All things considered, I know she worked very hard to put up a good performance today for all of you. I know I like to tease and irritate her, but she's the most awesome person I know, and I wouldn't change a thing about her. I'm sure she's stressing if she's doing a good job right now, so maybe give a loud cheer if you think she's killing it. I won't take up any more of your time. Thanks and goodbye.
Shloka will now present Rudrama. I choreographed this piece inspired by the historic warrior queen of the Kakatiya dynasty. Brought up like a son by her father, King Ganapati Deva, Rudrama was one of the very few females who ruled as a monarch in India. This piece highlights her lineage, her valiant character, her proficient horse-riding skills, and her prowess with the sword. You will also witness Rudrama, an ardent devotee of goddess Bhadrakali, worshiping her by chanting a few verses from Kalikashtakam. Rudrama set to Samudrapriya and Dhenuka Ragam and Aditalam and Kandachaputalam. Lyrics of this piece are by Sri Vadapalli Krishna Garu, music by Sri Dandikotla Srinivasa Venkata Shastri Garu, and choreography Deepika Reddy. Diksha will now introduce the orchestra.
Thank you.